Hello guys, in this video we will see Linux mkdir command with examples. Mkdir means make directory. Go through the manual by using mkdir. See, it make directories. Definition, and this is synopsis. Synopsis means syntax. These are the options: -m, -p, -v, that is verbose. This is the help, context and version. Press Q to quit from this one. Another command is mkdir help. Create the directory. Usage is mkdir options and directory name. Creates a directory if they do not already exist. These are the options. Okay, clear screen. At present I am in home, R2 schools and training directory. Let's create empty directory. Syntax is make dir backups. Let's verify that it's created or not. See, we have a directory. Let's verify in long listing format. Here -d means it's a directory and owner is R2 schools and group is R2 schools. This is the size. This is the created date and time. To create multiple directories at a time by using command mkdir batch1, then space, then batch2, then batch3. Like this we can create multiple directories with single command. Let's verify. See, we have created 3 directories. Suppose we want to create a child directories in the parent directory by using command mkdir-p, then hr, then USA, then UK, then India. What it will do? It will create parent hr, then subdirectory in hr USA, in that subdirectory UK, in that subdirectory India. Let's verify. See, there is only hr. If you navigate to hr, then we will find USA. In USA, UK directory is there. In UK directory, we can find India. India is the empty directory. It doesn't contain any files or folders. Suppose if you want to create 10 directories, naming convention starts from low number to high number. Suppose mkdir r, then 1 to 10. See what it will do. It create 10 directories. The name r and 1. Then R2, then R3, up to R10. Let's verify. See, it has created directories from R1 to R10. If you want to remove a directory, use the command remove directory, then directory name. Suppose if I want to remove R10 directory, we can remove it by using rmdir, then directory name. Rmdir is only used to remove empty directories. We have successfully removed. Suppose if you want to remove hr directory, it will throw error because it is not empty. See, directory not empty. So rmdir is used to only remove empty directories. Okay guys, in this video we have seen make directory with examples. Then we have seen rm directory. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.